the spaceship has landed. All right, guys. Today, we got something new. Nike MX 720 818 in the white and black and yellow colorway. Now let's get into it. As we can see, it's a black box. You know, I usually never get, the last pair I had was 270s, so these are 720s. I've never had a pair of 720s. Let's see. Boom. Now would you look at that? Holy crap, look at that air bubble. Air bubble galore. Oh, this is sick. Let's check out the other one. Ooh, hoo-hoo. Don't got no laces. You already know. All right, guys. First impressions on the shoe. I don't know if I like them. This is a little overwhelming. The air bubble, super overwhelming. Super huge. But let's get right into the review, guys. So, I want to start off with the bottom of the shoe. So, I already see cons about the shoe. Mainly, if you get a needle or anything that'll pop the whole bubble, whether you pop it here or over here, the whole air bubble is going to get flat. So you're literally going to have a popped balloon. Because this is a super massive balloon. Like, look at that. I think this is the same air bubble, but compressed, that the LeBron has. But this is just over the top. Okay, so then here, this right here feels like a remote control, like plasticky, but like squishy, like seats. It feels like a bus. You've ever been inside a bus and you know those seats that are very like spongy? That's how it feels like. I'm trying to figure out something else. It feels like a machine, like this material here. Let me show you guys. Feels like this right here, but if it was soft. Okay, perfect. So here, this, you guys know that machines have this little material here. Feels exactly the same. Then we're gonna go on the yellow. The yellow. This is just rubber, like your plain old, like any type of shoe. So we covered the bottom. All right, now we're gonna go to the air bubble. So, let me put this in the background so you guys can get a view of that side of the shoe. The bubble here. This right here is very strong. You can't even squeeze it. And if you notice here, it says MX 720 818. So these shoes are inspired by astronauts. It has astronomical material. This here in the back is a bike reflectiveness. So if I turn on the flash like I'm about to do now, you can see the reflectiveness. So when you're, I don't know, would you jog in these? I'm gonna jog in these and I'm gonna tell you guys if they're joggable. Okay, looking at the top, MX 720 818. Again, this material here is actual astronaut material that they would wear if they were gonna go on a, you know, they're gonna go to the moon. You know, if they're gonna go to the moon, their jackets are gonna be like this. Keep in mind, man, these are $200+. So you got good quality. Laces, super thick laces, sort of very shiny. Let's look at the interior of the shoe. As you can see, the interior has that nice blue and yellow suede type fabric. All right, let's take this thing out. I would definitely would not recommend you wear these for a run. Yo, you almost feel like you're on space. Like the way you walk is a downward motion. It's so funny. Let me show you guys how they look on the feet. You guys, they're really, really a massive shoe. Like, there's nothing subtle about it. If you notice here, you got like checkered marks, meaning that you're in the orbits of space. So that's pretty much it. The final review. It's a very bulky shoe. Would definitely do not recommend you try to go do some miles in these shoes. These do not compare to the VaporMax 3s or Plus. This is just a bulkier shoe, you know. It's a very comfortable shoe for someone who, you know, is planning on, you know, standing somewhere for a long period of time, whether they're for, you know, you're in line or you have a job that requires you to stand on your feet all day. These are really good. You really feel like a good support, like no one could push you over. Like this is like you got balance. Unlike with these, that's your runner shoe right there. Like, notice how the top of the heel is elevated. Look at this one. Straight up to the ground. You got maybe a little bit of elevation. Nothing compares to that. So definitely, if you want a running shoe, go with the Turbo Shield. If you want a lifestyle shoe where you can wear with some jeans and it'll look good because the shoes are overly massive, then go with the whatever these are called. I don't know why they chose 818. I really do not know. But 720, the air technology here, this is why they call it a 720. 818, I don't know. Is it because it's like a valley thing, or I don't know, guys. But thank you guys for watching. Come by for the next video. I'm going to do an update on these ones. Peace.
Oh, wait, shit.
Alright, guys. So we are at Smart and Final. We needed Clorox disinfecting wipes because of the coronavirus, and they're literally sold out. I would suggest going to your local store and getting as much cleaning supplies as you can. As you can see here, we are all gone. Oh, check out my cart. We got waters. You know you gotta have the soup. Some more soup. Check this out, guys. Oh my goodness. Best things ever. Alright, let's move it along. Some dog shit. Alright, let's move it along, guys.